most of the time. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Meera Kaneria. I make fashion videos every week on YouTube. Okay, so few days back when I was scrolling over the Zara feed, I saw a lot of trends popping up like bomb. Like they were so good. But the one trend which I loved the most was dramatic sleeves. Zara introduced so many tops and blouses which have that dramatic sleeves on it. So the one sleeve which I loved was statement balloon sleeves. So basically this is the sleeve which gets wrapped around your arms, but it is so puffed up that it gives that bold dramatic look. But right now we are at home, so I thought let's make that puff sleeves at home. And I have one bonus tip for you guys, so stay tuned for that till the end of this video. For this, I would recommend you to have a cotton fabric because it is not so flowy and it doesn't weigh everything down like silk. For this, all you need is a fabric, scissor, fabric glue, scale, needle and thread, safety pins and rubber bands. To measure how much cloth you need for one arm, you just have to do the double of what you need. To start with the sleeves, apply glue horizontally on the edge. Take the opposite side of the edge and place it over it. Now just take the vertical end and fold it in such a way that it creates a loop from which we can insert the rubber band. Secure the loop with fabric glue. Repeat the process on both ends. Insert the rubber band inside the loop using a safety pin.
So if you want something to hold on to,
now just take the both ends of the rubber band and stitch it together.
'Cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island.
Insert the rubber band on other loop and your sleeve is ready. Just like this, repeat the process on the other sleeve as well and you are all good to go. Okay, so here's the outcome. I honestly never thought that it would look so dramatic and bold, but I'm so proud of myself. That went so well and I got the puff sleeve the way I want them. Okay, so I know you guys are waiting for that bonus tip which I'm going to show you right now. So while scrolling down the Zara feed, I found one more trend which is going around the fashion industry right now. That is shoulder pads. So basically this is the one in which you find that clean edge on your shoulder. So here's an easy way you can create it at home with a loose plain t-shirt. Classy and clean. It is so easy to create and it would look so good on casual days. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Also, if you guys love this t-shirt which I made in my previous video which is about DIY of a crop top, which I would be linking up here, do check that out and do let me know which Zara trend is your favorite by commenting down below and I would be replying to you all guys. We'll see you guys in the next videos. Till then, stay amazing. Bye.